What if there was a scientifically proven way of getting your hair back faster? I'm Dr. Danyo, and I'm going to tell you exactly how that's possible. DHI, hair transplant, implantation is the way to go. The great thing about DHI, which is direct hair implantation, is the fact that we can do this in a way that creates a better scenario for the graft. Better accuracy, quicker healing, and actually quicker results. Generally, when you do a hair implantation, those grafts are going to shed, or the follicle within the graft is going to shed. But the time from shedding to actual growth is dramatically decreased with direct hair implantation. I've seen it in my practice. I've been to conferences and heard studies and read studies that this is true. In fact, it can be as early as 2 to 3 months earlier growth using direct hair implantation techniques. Whether you have a wedding, a class reunion, or you're just getting out there, well, you want to look good for those events. We can make it happen with direct hair implantation. We are specialists here at North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and we're happy to help. You can call us at 678-845-7521. You can reach us on the web at nahairrestoration.com. That's NA as in North Atlanta, hairrestoration.com. Thank you.